Hey guys, yesterday I had made a video showing you what Deadshot Daiquiri actually tastes like in real life. With the release of Black Ops Cold War Zombies, they added all the ingredients to the perks. And instead of having glass perk bottles, we now have soda cans. I had a really good time putting the ingredients together for Deadshot Daiquiri, and surprisingly, it tasted really good. And it's one of my videos right before this one, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, it's pretty easy to find. In that video, I said I want to try the other perks and see what is in those. And in this video, I'm going to be going over Juggernog. Juggernog is the most iconic perk since the beginning of zombies. And the only thing we've ever known about it is that it's maybe some kind of eggnog. And I think most people are pretty familiar with the machine. It says, "That's a good nog" on it. That indicates to us, yeah, maybe it's an eggnog because there's another quote on it that says made with real eggs. So when trying to speculate about what's going to be in these ingredients, egg is definitely one of them that should be there. And it definitely is, and it's not what you would expect. And Treyarch definitely has a good sense of humor. I was laughing my ass off when I saw these ingredients. When you go up to buy the perk from a perk machine, your character pulls out a can, and for a split second, you can see the back of the can, and then the character continues to drink it. You can see right here for a split second, yeah, you see the back of the can, and that goes really fast. You're never gonna catch that while you're playing the game. You're definitely gonna have to have this recorded and then watch the playback. And if you see my previous video with the Deadshot, they went all out with the nutritional label with calories and protein and fat and all of that. And if you guys are ready for this, we've waited how many years to know what the actual ingredients are for Juggernog? It being a nog made of egg is all we have. The character quotes, I don't believe really tell us anything. I think Dempsey had said at one point that he thought it was chewy, but that doesn't really tell us anything. So here's the label of the front of the can. It says made with real eggs. It's got the Juggernog emblem, and then below that it has an egg in a basket with a bow. And then on the bottom left, there's a blurb, and this gives you an idea of how funny the nutritional label is on this thing. It says only 1,000 calories. Now, I will say that Deadshot Daiquiri's label had all legitimate ingredients that you could put together and safely drink, and it actually tasted really good and kind of made sense. And I definitely wanted to do the same thing with Juggernog, make a video putting the ingredients together and drinking it, and I think I can, and I might have to make some adjustments because some of the ingredients are not obtainable. And the moment we've all been waiting for, well, I've been waiting for, is the ingredients. So we'll go down here. The calories, yes, are 1,000. That's absolutely insane. The total fat is 70 grams. Yes, 70 grams. Sodium is 45 grams. And then this is really funny. Total carbs, 5,000 grams. I don't know if there's any food on this earth that has that much. Then the sugars are outlandish at 90 grams. And then protein is just bizarre at 400 grams. And then for the ingredients, the first one is carbonated milk. I had to immediately Google that, like, is that a thing? And yes, it is. This is actually a really popular drink in East Asia, and I shop at an Asian mart near me, and I see this on the shelf all the time. I've never tried it, but I definitely will be. The next ingredient is one that we knew would be in here, but we didn't really think much past that, and apparently this is where all that protein's coming from. And it is powdered crocodile eggs. I think most of us assumed it would just be regular chicken eggs, but no, they've gone above and beyond with crocodile eggs, and I guess that kind of makes sense because, yeah, if you're wanting to be tough and strong, you gotta step it up a little and eat reptilian eggs. So of course I had to Google this as well, and it looks like powdered eggs is a thing, just like regular chicken eggs. You can put water in it and make regular eggs with it, but it definitely seems difficult to get powdered crocodile eggs. However, eating crocodile eggs is a common thing in East Asia along with this carbonated milk. I found a video where a guy was tasting crocodile eggs and he was describing it as a strong fishy smell, and the egg is larger than a chicken egg. He had it fried up, and how it turned out is that the white part of a chicken egg in a crocodile egg is actually yellow, and the yolk of a crocodile egg is actually like a jelly or white color, which is the opposite of a chicken yolk. It's yellow. Yeah, the crocodile eggs is white. That's so weird. He also described it as it tasting like a really, really dense pancake that was just kind of strange. Like, he didn't enjoy it. And in fact, he refused to try the white jellied yolk. The next ingredient, I guess, makes sense, but I was certainly surprised to see it there. It is spinach juice. And that's definitely a play on Popeye eating spinach and it making him strong and all that. The last two ingredients make sense and are pretty humorous. It's pure gumption and fortified with iron. And the definition of gumption is being shrewd or a spirited initiative or resourcefulness and having common sense. And then being fortified with iron certainly makes sense, helps to keep you strong, and your body needs it for growth and development. So yes, I think I can definitely try to make a video and put these ingredients together and taste them. I don't think I can get my hands on crocodile eggs, but I can definitely do regular powdered eggs. I might have to make my own carbonated milk, so that should be fun. And then spinach juice, yeah, that's pretty easy. It seems like it would have a pretty mild flavor and wouldn't be too crazy. I've certainly never had this kind of mixture, and I am curious to try it. But wait till you guys see what's in the other perks. Like, I was dying laughing when I saw them, and I think I'm going to make Quick Revive next. That one's got to be my favorite. Some of these perks you definitely can't drink without getting violently ill or becoming a drug addict, so I might have to avoid some of them. But let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll see you next video.